for a mad one today.
Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, please consider liking and subscribing if you enjoyed the video. This episode we're going to be drilling out the bolt that snapped on the front suspension so we can get that back in and re-threading it. Also we're going to be sorting out that front section. I've actually been informed that you can actually buy that section, so all that fabrication work was basically a waste of time, but at least I've been working my welding, so it's much better for those other sections. So when we sort that out, the welding will be much stronger. We'll be ordering up the parts from FCSS. They reproduce those kind of Fiat Coupe parts. So big up the guy from the Fiat Coupe forum who actually helped me out there and kind of told me out. I literally did not know that. Little shout out there for him. So
In and save the day. See the Fiat Coupe forum. I'm on like every one of them. So helpful, man. Honestly, legend.
Going to order those parts in, hopefully get that fitted as well, get the front suspension back on, and that's basically going to be this whole episode. So let's get into it. So I called the big guns out. My dad's going to help out to get the bolt out from there, because I tried it before. I tried to weld a bolt onto the top, and it looked like a good weld, and the bolt just kind of snapped. I welded it twice and it didn't work, so he's going to be helping in the beginning of this episode to get that bolt out and get some new thread through there as well.
I think that might be burnt out now. Okay.
What does that mean? You can't use that drill bit again?
Yeah, I think.
you've got those two, and that one's gone quite a few threads in.
Yeah. So we've got our own MIG welder now, buzzing. MIG mate, because this was actually my dad's one that I've been using, which is a 150. This one's just a MIG, but it looks pretty decent, so we're going to clean it up. We've also got some 0.6 flux core wire, because we could only get 0.8 before. That was during the middle of all the pandemic and everything, so I don't know if all the orders were messed up, but we literally couldn't get any other sizes apart from 0.8. At one point I could only get 0.9. Clean this up, see if it actually works and that, because I haven't actually run it yet. So we're going to clean it up, see if it works, and then get this wire and have a go with it. Brand new, tiny bit of rusting, but hopefully it'll work. I'm actually well happy. I have my own one, and it's not like massive, like that one's quite a lot bigger. Hopefully it still welds as good and everything. It should do, but I'm well happy with that little purchase. And it looks like it's got like a lot more dials as well, like 1.5. That one only goes to 10. But it's just got 1, 2, literally like that. This one's got like middle ones, so it should be good. So open her up. Jeez. Not really sure what that is. Probably something to do with the doing gas, but I use gasless anyway, so but let's just see if it actually works. So I'll take this out, just plug it in, see if she runs. Put the safety gear on, I'm going to give it a go. The handle's well fresh on it. It's the moment of truth. Oh shit, boys. That's disappointing. That is disappointing. Oh, well that moves. That's not, can't be like silent though, can it? Well fresh on that one. So we're going to give it a go, see if it does work. Seems to be working alright. That's actually mental. Run silent before. The reason I thought it didn't work is because that one's well loud. When you turn it on, it's literally like, and this one just runs silent, which is pretty good. It's literally brand new, like, so good. And it's still got a bit of wire on there, mild 0.6 looks like. That's pretty, I'm well happy with that. Buzzing. Buzzing. There, even though it's kind of got a little weld there already, but this weld is much better. Like that one I done there, it's not too bad. It's pretty bad if you're a good welder, but obviously it's better than this here, if you know what I mean. So I'm going to do one across there. Hopefully you can be able to see it. You can see firsthand. I'm trying different techniques with the movement, so yeah, too bad. It's better than the other ones I've done. It's like my third weld proper one today. At the top bit, it's just like brand new. I'm so happy with that. So happy with it. The performance and everything. Yeah. Buzzing. Buzzing. And that's the first time I've used 0.6 wire as well. So it actually well makes a difference. Somebody did say before, like 0.8 wire on thin sheet metal blows through a lot easier. Now using 0.6 compared to 0.8, I can see what they mean. So definitely. And I've got an extra roll, and I've got the rest of that on there. So buzzing. It's a lot better stacked very well. From what I think, there was a bit of a blip like that, but the ripples are coming, just that's the up and down movement. Before I tried it a different way, I think that way suits me a lot better. That's probably the best, one of the best ones I've done. So I'm pretty happy with that, and that's a weld over a weld as well. Good penetration. I'm pretty happy with that, it's quite hot. But yeah, there's a lot more settings on that MIG compared to that one. It just welds so good compared to the other one, and it's silent as well. Like it's on now, and it just makes no noise. The other one just had a really loud fan or whatever it was, I don't know. But yeah, I'm happy with that.